How InterLink calculates ITLG airdrops. Why your earnings fluctuate. Have you ever wondered why the quantity of ITLG of your InterLink Lab Network changes on each airdrop you get after each 4 hours? Whether you are a solo linker with no or just a few referrals, or someone with a strong network having dozens of active referrals, the quantity of ITLG you receive through airdrops keeps fluctuating continuously. If you are a single solo linker with no or just 1 to 2 referrals, one airdrop gives you 50 ITLG and the very next 20 only. And if you are a linker with a list of referrals, sometimes you get 80 ITLGs and next time 130. Is InterLink tricking you? Does it just force you to watch the in-app ads and give you only few ITLG without any systematic policy? Do you think InterLink is giving you unjustified, or if I say more casually, a reduced quantity of ITLG, very low to your expectations? Today, all of your confusions are going to go away. After you finish this video completely, not only will you be able to forecast the quantity of your upcoming ITLG and next airdrop, but your trust and confidence over InterLink's ITLG distribution system will also be increased. Watching the frustrating in-app ads to claim ITLG on each airdrop will be no more fruitless. To get answers to all these questions and queries and stay updated about InterLink and other crypto projects, I highly recommend you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you may never miss the similar important and informative crypto videos. I promise the next few minutes won't go to waste. They'll turn into pure crypto knowledge you can actually use.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, Digitdon.
Before proceeding to the mobile screen for a detailed explanation, I highly recommend watching this video in full. Skipping any part may leave you unclear about InterLink's ITLG distribution system and surrounded by doubts. Live demo and explanation of ITLG airdrops. Let's switch to our mobile screen. I am going to tap the mining button to claim my fresh ITLG airdrop. It's saying that after maturing the mining process, I will get 152 ITLG from this mining session. Let's check it how InterLink calculated it. To say it simply, amount of ITLG in a mining session is always equal to 20 ITLG, that is base reward, multiplied by active human hash power, HHP. Look, your base reward that is 20 ITLG will never be changed. Here, our active HHP is 7.6. Now take the calculator and multiply the base rewards with active HHP. Answer is 152. So, in this mining session, we will earn 152 ITLG. But what is active HHP? For this mining session, InterLink has told us that our active HHP is 7.6. How? Let's see. Total HHP. To understand active HHP, we first need to understand the concept of total human hash power. Both active HHP and total HHP are interconnected, but they differ slightly due to a small yet important distinction. The total human hash power, HHP, is calculated by combining your base rate, the initial HHP given to every new linker, the HHP earned from direct referrals, the HHP earned from indirect referrals, and the HHP gained through the referral code you entered at the time of registration. Didn't you understand it yet? Let me clarify. InterLink grants each new linker 1 HHP as a base rate immediately after registration by default. You receive 0.2 HHP whenever someone registers using your referral code and completes full KYC verification. Basically, he becomes your direct referral. Additionally, if someone registers and gets fully KYC verified using the referral code of one of your direct referrals, you earn 0.1 HHP. Basically, he becomes your indirect referral. Look here. This is the list of my total direct referrals. They are 37 in total, but 6 of them haven't completed KYC yet, hence are locked, which means only 31 are officially counted under my referral code. As per InterLink's rule, I receive 0.2 HHP for each fully KYC verified direct referral. So, 31 multiplied by 0.2 gives a total of 6.2 HHP from direct referrals. And yes, you can see that InterLink is showing the same on my screen. Now, let's move to indirect referrals. There are 17 in total, but 6 of them are still not fully KYC, leaving only 11 valid ones. According to InterLink's system, I get 0.1 HHP for each of these 11 indirect referrals, which equals 1.1 HHP. And again, InterLink confirms the exact same figure right here. Apparently confusing and complicated, but here is its simple and live explanation. All your confusions are going to be solved in next 2 minutes only. Let's recall the formula for calculating total human hash power, HHP. The total HHP is obtained by adding your base rate, the HHP from direct referrals, the HHP from indirect referrals, and the HHP gained through the referral code you entered during registration. So let's add them all according to this formula. Base rate, the initial HHP received from InterLink, is 1. HHP from direct referrals is 6.2. HHP from indirect referrals is 1.1. HHP gained through the referral code I entered during registration is 0.5. When we sum them all, it equals 8.8 HHP. And yes, as you can see, InterLink confirms the same. Cleared the fog from your mind, is it? Oh yes, your $1 million question. What would be your total HHP if you have no direct or indirect referrals? In that case, your total HHP would be 1.5 only, because you would receive 1 HHP as the base rate and 0.5 HHP from the referral code you entered during registration. Cleared now? But don't become disappointed that you are a single linker with no or very few referrals. I highly recommend you try to increase your referrals, but if you couldn't do so, InterLink will not leave you alone and will keep you providing a very handsome amount of ITLG on each airdrop. Believe me. Active HHP. Take a sigh of relief. The complicated part is over. Now that we've understood the concept of total HHP, we know what are direct and indirect referrals, what are their contribution in your total HHP, what is base rate. It's time to move ahead, and understanding active HHP will be much easier from here. In our case, we had 8.8 HHP, but for this mining session, were all of direct and indirect referrals active? Did all of them mined when airdrop appeared to them? Suppose for this mining session, 2 of my direct referrals and 3 of indirect referrals were not active and they missed the airdrop. So my total HHP will be reduced to 2 multiplied by 0.2 for direct referrals and 3 multiplied by 0.1 for indirect referrals, and I will lose a total of 0.7 HHP. So, in that case, my active HHP will be 8.8 minus 0.7 equals 8.1, and I will be able to get 162 ITLG in my next airdrop. Suppose my all direct and indirect referrals were active. They availed all the 6 mining sessions, airdrops, in last 24 hours. Then my total HHP and active HHP will be same as 8.8, and I will get 176 ITLG in next mining session. Here, I would like to clarify a little point that your base rate will remain at 1 until your total HHP reached up to 10. However, if the list of your direct and indirect referral increases and your HHP is crossed over 10, the base rate will be slightly reduced with the application of a specific formula. I will try to cover that in some other video. This reduced rate helps balance rewards between new, high HHP users, keeping the system fair and substantial for all. I hope you've understood everything clearly. It was quite simple, wasn't it? I'm confident that your trust in InterLink has grown stronger, And now you'll feel more motivated to expand your list of referrals. Because as you have seen, the more referrals you have, the more justified and policy-aligned ITLG you'll receive from InterLink. So, linkers, buckle up again. Try to avail at least 4 airdrops in 24 hours to become beneficial from the potential of InterLink. Outro. InterLink recent growth is not a secret now. Its vision is to get on board 5 billion users, and you are among them. It's backed by New-to-Street Project, Amazon startups, Google for startups, and eyeing to be listed on New York Stock Exchange. Number of its daily active users have crossed the milestone of 2.2 million. Till now, more than 3.6 million IDs have been registered, and the network is expanding with tremendous speed. All this is evidence of InterLink Lab Network's bright future. So, don't lose your trust in it. It will give you the fruit more than your expectations, no doubt. If you are still not a member of this community, don't waste more time. Join the network by clicking the link in description and enter my referral ID. That's it. For your guidance and full support, you can find here the full playlist of videos on InterLink from making account to KYC and mining by tapping this I button. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share this video. If you have still any confusion, just drop it in the comments. I read each and every comment and tries my best to respond it accordingly. See you soon in next informative video. Till then, bye-bye.